Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to talk about SATA to USB connector. With this connector, we can use our internal hard disk as an external hard disk. This hard disk is from my old laptop. Now, let's connect this hard disk to the computer using this connector. All the drives are listed as expected. Now, we can transfer any files. It is a 3.5-inch hard disk normally used for desktop computer. It is from my old desktop computer. For this type of hard disk, an extra power is needed. So, we need to connect this adapter. This adapter is also come with this connector. Please don't touch or move the hard disk while connected. Now we can connect it to mobile. For mobile, we need additional interface like Type-C or micro USB. All the drives are listed in mobile browser. Nice. If we have this connector, we can use internal hard disk for backup of photos and videos of our mobile. SATA to USB connector is very useful if we have multiple internal hard disk in our hand.